Hey everyone, welcome back to Everyday Hacks. Today, I'm sharing 7 easy habits that will help you keep your home clean, neat, and organized. Whether you're trying to stay on top of daily messes or need ideas for making things more manageable, these tips will work wonders. Let's dive right in. Habit number 1, make your bed every morning. It sounds simple, but starting your day with a made bed can instantly make your bedroom feel more organized. Plus, it sets the tone for the rest of the day. Second, focus on decluttering high-traffic areas like your living room, kitchen, or entryway. These areas often collect clutter, but dedicating 5 to 10 minutes daily can make a huge difference. Habit number 3, wash dishes immediately after meals. Letting dishes pile up makes kitchen cleaning feel overwhelming, but doing them right away keeps your kitchen fresh and inviting. This is a big one, the one in, one out rule. Anytime you buy something new, let go of an item you no longer use. This habit keeps clutter in check and helps you avoid overfilling your space. Habit number 5, always put things back where they belong. It might sound like a small thing, but if you make it a habit, it'll save you tons of time looking for lost items and keeps everything organized. Next, make a weekly cleaning schedule. For example, reserve certain days for specific tasks, laundry on Tuesdays, dusting on Fridays. This makes cleaning less overwhelming and helps you keep a consistent routine. And finally, keep your entryway neat and organized. It's the first thing you see when you walk in, and a clutter-free entryway makes your home feel cleaner right away. Try adding a shoe rack, coat hooks, or even a small tray for keys. And that's it. 7 simple habits to help you keep your home clean, organized, and stress-free. By making these a part of your daily routine, you'll find that keeping your home neat becomes effortless. If you found these tips helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more home organization and cleaning tips. Comment below your favorite tip or any other habit that works for you. See you in the next video.